In this tutorial, you'll learn how to transform a photo into a stunning Father's Day 3D illusion for laser engraving on slate using the Luma-Loft styled transformer tool. First, open the Tools drop-down and select the Styled Transformer option to start giving your photo a creative 3D effect for laser engraving. Scroll down to choose Father's Day Slate Tribute Style. Next, upload your chosen photo by clicking the Upload area, then select the Father's Day image from your files to use as the base for your project. Now, adjust the settings as needed. Expand the advanced settings, then increase the output resolution, for example, to match your design preferences. When you're happy with the settings, click the Transform Image button. Once processing is done, use the split screen icon to compare the before and after view. Download the transformed image by clicking the Download button, then follow up in the Downloads folder if you want to manage your files. If you enjoy our content and want us to continue sharing tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. To prep for engraving, send your artwork to the Laser Engraving Preparation tool. For image adjustments, crop the image as needed, remove the background for a cleaner look, then apply any final changes. Use Fit Content to fill the engraving area appropriately. Apply Crop to save your adjustments. Then adjust width and height values, fine-tune the DPI, and finalize your image dimensions. Search and select the right engraving presets for Slate. Type in relevant keywords and choose the Slate Standard option for best laser engraving results. Make further adjustments like toggling opacity, increasing contrast, and tweaking color balance or midtone brightness. Use the gamma slider to optimize image clarity for engraving. Next, select your preferred processing algorithm, such as grayscale if you are not using Lightburn, and choose Jarvis in your engraving software. If you are using Lightburn, keep the settings as they are, but make sure to select pass-through mode and do not change the size. Click Next to export and process the image. Once done, download the final PNG for laser engraving, and manage your files using the download notification if needed. You've now prepared a personalized Father's Day 3D illusion design, ready for laser engraving on slate.